Welcome to another lesson that is part of the TI-30XB student course. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the data editor and the lists. So let's get started by pressing the data menu. And what it opens up is 3 lists where you can enter up to 42 pieces of data into each list. We're not going to do that many today. Let's have a think about a simple interest question where we're going to invest $3,000 at 5.9% simple interest for 6 years. So I want to see what's happening each year. So I'm going to enter in my years into list 1. So we take our first data value of 1 and we press enter. Then 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter, 5, enter, and 6, enter. If you want to see what you've entered after putting in a lot of pieces of data, to get back to the top, you can press second and the up arrow. If you want to get to the bottom of your list, second and the down arrow. Okay, let's go across into list 2 to make the formula work. So we want to enter a formula here rather than doing each calculation beforehand. So let's go to the data menu again. And you'll notice that one of the things that comes up is formula. So let's go across to that. And then the first thing in the formula list is to add or edit a formula. Well, we need to add a formula. So let's press number 1, or you can press enter. So I'm going to invest $3,000. There it is. And I need to multiply that by my percentage interest rate, which was 5.9. So to use percentage, I can use this button on the left bracket. So it's second percent. And then I need to multiply it by the number of years. Well, I've already listed all my years in list 1. So let's put that in. So if we go to the data menu now, it gives me an option of which list would I like to use. Well, my data's in list 1. So I'm going to press enter. And you can see the formula sitting there. And now if I press enter, it's going to fill down all of those values. And what we can see is that after 1 year, we've earned $177 in interest. After 2 years, we now have earned double that, $354. And after 3 years, we've earned 3 times 177, which is $531. Once again, if we want to see how much interest we've earned after 6 years, we can skip down by using the second and the down button. And we can see that after 6 years, we earn a total of $1,062. You can also scroll through your list with the up and down arrows. But sometimes the question isn't just how much interest have we earned. Sometimes we also want to know how much in total we now have. So let's find our yearly totals. Let's go across to list 3. As soon as I press the across button, it takes me to the top of the list. And I want to enter a formula again. So I'm going to press data and go across to formula. And I want number 1 to add or edit a formula. And this formula is quite a simple one because we just need to start with how much money we had at the beginning, so $3,000, and we want to add in what's in list 2, the amount of interest after each year. So remember, we press the data button, and this time our information is in list 2. So go down to list 2 and press enter. And now if I press the enter again, we can see that my total after 1 year is $3,177, and I can scroll through that, or I could use the second and the down to see that my total is, of course, $4,062. Well, that's it for this lesson. Goodbye.